Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antonio bamta kasngi. Kameghalaya Indigenous Minority Scheduled Tribe Forum MIMSTF hapo ka jingilam u President Jibananda Coach bad u General Secretary Pankaj Rabha. Kilalit ban kendu ya u Chief Secretary ka jela ba DP Walang IAS. Ha Secretariat min hakalai trik unaidur ban aidor khas bad dawa ba ka sorkar kanum ailat iki jingkran ki ba penja buram bat penyaklat ikiwi pat kijat benriu traishnong kib deiru ke scheduled tribes hapo Meghalaya. Kumbalakran do uba Thomas Pasa Working President ka KHNAM habakran syakilat pathai khubor hadin ke jingya kendu kinong yalam ke MIMSTF kila penpau baka shithi ke bakila pha Sheu State Vigilance Commissioner ka khnam kaboong baka scheduled tribe certificate ditang na benta ki khasi jantia bergaru. Kadai ke jingkran ka ba penjak buram ikiwi pat kijat benriu traishnong. U President ke MIMSTF ulakdo banadu ke Constitution Scheduled Tribe Order Syahajak naispa sanpau berkijing penkela hadin kijat benriu hajong rabha coach baro man bat karbiru kila kentup kum ki Scheduled Tribe sa Meghalaya. Namar kata ki hok berkijing nong traish nong jengkiru kidai banyo jing itu kumju kum ki khasi jantia bat garu. Ke MIMSTF kalaong berkijing kren persya kijat benriu ritpat kum ki hajong bat karbi kamdei kabayaha bat karukam sensyar pat ba. Namar kariti sensyar India kala kedau syai baki hok jongki lakhang kerdem. Kaseng kala penpauru baki jingkran kum kita gila awan kata e kajing suk kajing teli bar kajing long ringkat hapdeng kiriulum kajela. Namar kata kaseng kedawa baki sorkar Meghalaya kan ai kajuba pajba bar ban pensyai baki Scheduled Tribe red pat kan omsya kan tait ha kajing hok bar kajing itu pajba. Ka kopi jong kadhor khas la pharu se Menteri Rangba Konrad Ki Sangma Menteri Social Welfare Paul Lingdo but Principal Secretary Social Welfare Department S Kumar IAS. Ka jingjia kelawan raru ikiseng berkipat ba jongki hajong bat karbi bandawa bakinyo benta kumkiwe ki Scheduled Tribes ha ka jingyo hok bat jingburam hapo ka jela.
You have to submit?
Jack is our institution evaluated. So we requested the Chief Secretary also to kindly look after these cases. So he will say definitely he will look after this.
Do you have a rough figure of how many of these candidates from your community have appeared for these MTET exams, roughly?
Roughly 100. Roughly 100. I don't know the exact figure, but roughly it will be
More than 100.
Okay. I am the spokesperson of minorities to Yes, sure.
Yes, minority scheduled tribe forum.
MIM is clear.
Could you take pictures?
The KNUM, where they demand that only the three major tribes of the Meghalaya should be given the status. Since we are the minority tribal, we are the representative of Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Scheduled Tribe Forum, comprises the 6 minority Scheduled Tribe of Meghalaya, that is Hajong, Koch, Rabha, Boro, Man and Karbi. And today we met the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary assured the status quo will be maintained, since in the letter, KNUM has also stated that the special recruitment drive conducted by the BSF in this month, that only the 3 major tribes should be allowed to take part in that rally for that general GD post. Since our youth are also that unemployed, they are very enthusiastic to join the armed forces. That is why we today met the Chief Secretary, but Chief Secretary assured us that status quo will be maintained, since we the minority tribe are also recognized as scheduled tribe along with the 3 major tribes of the Meghalaya in 1950. That is why we feel that we are also the indigenous tribe of the state. We are also the son of the soil. So there is no question of that left out the minority tribal from the scheduled tribe list of scheduled tribe. That's all.
So is there? So we don't know. But Chief Secretary assured us that he was presuming that whatever that comment made by Working President of KNUM, it might be not for our people like Rabha. Of that minority people of Meghalaya, but it might be people from other state outside of Meghalaya.
So overall, coming to the minor tribes, minority tribes, do you think that your demands all along you have been asking government to give some recognition?
Pardon?
Giving some recognition even there has been an amendment.
It's no amendment, I think, because it is not heard by any media also, and not from government side also.
No, about sixth schedule, there has been an
One
amendment.
hundred 25. This is going to be
Yeah,
going
to
be
exclude
amended.
you, there is a demand.
No,
not
it is not
exclude.
excluded.
Only in the 125 amendment there is a provision that there will be a unrepresented tribe, especially for the minority tribal community. And you know that state government or the unanimous resolution has been adopted by the government. They have said categorically that this unrepresented tribe category should be removed from that amendment. Let's see what happens. This one.
So you agree to that idea?
Pardon?
You agree to that?
No,
No, we don't agree.
we have requested that all that government also, and then standing committee of that parliamentary standing committee of 125 schedule amendment.